In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all the Facebook ads you've clicked on. It's a quick and easy process and we'll walk through it together step by step, aiming to complete it in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Facebook account. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in facebook.com, then logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. Next, take your cursor and click on your profile. You'll usually find this option at the top right corner of your screen. This step takes you to your personal profile, where you can see your posts, photos, and other personal information. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu or settings icon. It should be located somewhere at the top of the page, and when you click it, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, click on Settings and Privacy. This option should be easily recognizable, and it's the gateway to accessing more detailed account settings. After selecting Settings and Privacy, you'll need to click on Settings. This will take you deeper into your account preferences, offering a range of customization options. Next, within the Settings menu, locate and click on Ad Preferences. It might be a bit down the list, but this is where the magic begins for viewing all the ads you've interacted with. Following that, you may see another option for Ad Preferences. Go ahead and click on it again. Facebook sometimes organizes settings in a layered manner, so don't worry if you feel like you're repeating yourself. Now, under the Ad Preferences section, you'll see a lot of interesting and useful settings. What we're focusing on here are the ads you've interacted with, so let's keep moving forward. At this point, you can finally view your ad activity. This includes ads that you've clicked on, interacted with, or shown interest in. It's a great way to review what's caught your attention and consider whether those ads served your needs. Additionally, you can also view ads you saved. These are ads you found interesting enough to bookmark or save for later. Perhaps you intended to purchase a product or just wanted to explore the ad in detail when you had more time. Lastly, you can review advertisers you saw ads from. This lets you keep track of the businesses and brands that are frequently targeting you with advertisements, giving you insight into your own engagement patterns. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Facebook settings to view all the ads you've interacted with. This information can be particularly useful for managing your online activity and personalizing your ad experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.